Welcome to Boomer Mafia. In this video, I'm going to be installing some of the goodies I got during last Thanksgiving Cyber sale, starting with a very nice TRD Pro Grill, original, not a replica. We're also going to be installing the AlphaRex headlights. I'm going to be modifying them with a switch to be able to select between amber and white daytime running lights. We're also going to be installing the Diode dynamics fog lights. So should be a very interesting project. It's definitely going to transform the front end of my Toyota Tacoma over there. So let's just go ahead and get started with this little project. First thing we need to do is correct the hyperflashing of the turn signals. That's because when you go from incandescent to LED, there's not sufficient load and it will hyperflash. So I got these resistors in Amazon. They're not very expensive. They're just 50 watts, nothing fancy about them. It's just a resistor enclosed in an aluminum heatsink. And the whole purpose of this is just to dissipate heat, right? So you want to make sure that you mount this against metal to help it dissipate heat. And this is going to go in parallel with the turn signal so that we avoid having the hyper flash problem. So there's comes with 4, the kit. We're only going to use 2 for the front. We'll set the other 2 for the back if we ever put LEDs on the back. As far as the wiring harness, not very complicated. You get this wiring harness for the lights. This power box here has 3 leads. This one is going to go to the battery, pretty explanatory, battery and ground, red and black. And this one here, the gray wire with a tap, is going to go inside the cabin to an ignition dependent fuse, so that this circuit only gets power when the key is in the ignition and turned on. And then the other 2 leads that we have on the opposite side, they go to each headlight. This goes to the driver's side, and then this goes to the passenger side. Nothing very fancy. And I also got some cloth tape. I'm a big fan of using cloth tape to protect all my electrical circuits. Or I always have plastic tubing or plastic wire loom tube, you know, so you can use this. I always have this handy just in case I need it. But so let's go ahead and complete the installation of the headlights into the Tacoma.